Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I go by the name Lollipop. I've got a gist for you. It's apropos. Lately, they just had the Africa Magic Viewers Choice Awards. That is AMVCA awards that they just had, and there have been rumors of a whole actress, that is a Nollywood actress, Funke Akindele and her husband JJC Skills. So there have been rumors that they are they are not in good terms, stuff like that. But they just confirmed the rumor of their being breakup, of they are not being in good terms with each other, as they both rode different cars to the event. They came at different time. I don't know if they do it willingly, but they both came with different cars, and they both hang out with each of separate friends, with their colleagues, that they are G's. They just hang out with each other, and without even passing a note of hi or greeting each other at the event, at the African Magic Viewers Choice Award. I don't know what is really going on there, but people are just speculating. There have been speculations about their marriage, they are not in good terms, stuff and all that. I pray their home, nobody prays that anybody's home should separate. I pray their homes is in good terms. I pray they are in good terms and they separate whatever it is that is the dispute between the two, that they should just settle it together, settle it amicably within their self. So I don't know, there are just be speculations. There will be speculations, people have been speculating. And with what happened at the African Magic Viewer Choice Awards, they just confirm it that yes, this is true. They are not in good terms. Anyway, that is the gist about Funke Akindele and her husband JJC Skills as at the moment. And who knows? Do you know that they might do this intentionally? Do you know, guys? It's possible that they are in good terms, because even if they are not in good terms, they wouldn't want to show it to people. This might just be a prank. You never can tell. It can be a prank, Okay, so let's watch out, guys. Nobody pray. We your fans. Me, I love you, Funke Akindele below. Come on, I be your fans. So nobody pray that your home should break.